Imagine waking up in complete peace, on a sacred island, surrounded by prayer and silence. And then, out of nowhere, ships appear on the horizon. Not traders, not visitors, but warriors, ruthless, fearless, unstoppable. Within minutes, everything burns. The holy becomes helpless, and the peaceful are slaughtered. But this was not just an attack. This was the moment that changed history forever. Welcome to ZM Facts, it's Viking Age. A quiet morning on the island of Lindisfarne, off the northeast coast of England. A place of peace, a sacred monastery, a life devoted to prayer, farming, and worship. But that silence is about to be shattered. Without warning, dark shapes appear on the horizon, Viking longships cutting through the sea. The monks continue their daily routines, unaware of what's coming. They are peaceful people, devoted, humble, unarmed. But the Vikings? They are warriors, ruthless, fearless, and they have not come to pray, they come to take. What follows is not a battle, it's a massacre. The Vikings storm the monastery, killing monks, looting sacred relics, and stripping the holy site of its riches. Gold crosses, silver ornaments, priceless manuscripts, nothing is spared. In the Middle Ages, monasteries weren't just places of worship, they were treasure houses. And on that day, the Vikings discovered unimaginable wealth. That single raid would echo through history. It marked the beginning of what we now call the Viking Age. Once they tasted the riches hidden behind monastery walls, the Vikings didn't stop. They began launching relentless raids across the British Isles, targeting churches, forts, and coastal settlements. For a Viking chieftain, power meant loyalty, and loyalty had a price: gold, silver, wealth. Raiding became the fastest way to gain it, and for the Vikings, death in battle was not feared, it was desired. They believed that a glorious death would earn them a place in Valhalla, the legendary hall of warriors, where they would feast forever alongside their god, Odin. When a Viking died, they were buried or burned with their possessions, jewelry, swords, coins, known as grave goods. These treasures were believed to follow them into the afterlife. Over centuries, Vikings buried enormous amounts of wealth across Europe. But much of it was lost, forgotten, waiting to be rediscovered. Then, in 1840, something incredible happened. Workers repairing a riverbank in northwest England uncovered a decaying box lined with lead. Inside, a treasure unlike anything seen before. Over 8,500 pieces, silver coins, ingots, jewelry, all dating back more than 1,000 years. The discovery sparked a frenzy. Suddenly, treasure hunters and archaeologists began searching everywhere the Vikings had ever been. Fields, coastlines, villages, no place was ignored. And the discoveries kept coming. Coins worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, hidden silver hoards worth millions. The idea of lost Viking treasure captured the imagination of the world. But perhaps the most astonishing discovery came in 1880s Norway. Two teenage boys, curious and determined, convinced their father to let them dig into a large mound on their land. What they uncovered would change history. Buried beneath the earth was a 78-foot-long Viking ship, perfectly preserved, over 1,000 years old. This wasn't just a ship, it was a tomb, a burial fit for a king, or someone equally powerful. Inside, archaeologists found something extraordinary: remains of humans, animals, and offerings. 12 horses, 8 dogs, even peacocks, sacrificed to accompany the dead into the afterlife. But something was missing. Much of the treasure had already been taken, likely by ancient grave robbers. Even so, What remained told an incredible story of wealth, power, and belief. As news spread, a new wave of treasure hunters flooded Scandinavia, hoping to uncover similar sites. But nothing of that scale was ever found again. Today, technology has transformed the hunt. Ground-penetrating radar, drones, satellite imaging, all used to uncover what lies hidden beneath the earth. But with this advancement comes a darker side: illegal digging, black market trading, lost history. Some treasures may have already been found and sold in secret. And so, the mystery remains. How much Viking treasure is still out there? How much history lies buried, waiting to be discovered? One thing is certain: the closer you get to Scandinavia, the closer you get to the secrets of Valhalla. History is full of secrets, and this is just one of them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more untold stories, because the next mystery might be even bigger.